guys, I can't wait. Okay, do you remember about seeing my Titan cameraman? They use kind of very fast like that, and they kind of upgraded it more. You have this, and how you remove this by, and there's something behind. You can like this, like that. See, and I'm supposed to make this cameraman. I always make it's called Red Cameraman. I upgraded more. I think I make it in 2025 like that. Guys, wait. Guys, I'm back. Hmm. And guys, you still remember about my Titan? Superman, like that. Still have my Titan. Superman like that. And my Titan cameraman is still like short like that. And the sword or knife Titan cameraman has is and where Titan cameraman added is here. You can go here in this gap here, and like that, and right. And my Titan cameraman is made of Lego. Guys, I'm very creative with Lego, like that. I do a lot of stuff like playing with Lego when I'm 7, and I sometimes do. Okay. And guys, what is just like in secret like that? Keep taking cameraman happens also that right is me in my sorry guys. And guys, you can also add this to my Titan cameraman's like accessories or it like this. Just like a circle. Guys, like and subscribe. Guys, and thank you guys. And like and subscribe.